Welcome back to Diane's World. I am going to show you today how to make this delicious oatmeal bowl. The first thing you need to do is to place some water on the fire. I will be using Quaker oats. My mom used to use this as well, so I am used to it. I also love the flavor. I have here both rolled oats and instant oats. I will be combining the two for my porridge. When the water starts to boil a little bit, add some milk. The advisable ratio is 1 part oatmeal to 3 parts liquid. For my liquid, I will be using 2 parts water and 1 part milk. So you want to go ahead and pour in your rolled oats and then stir. Add only a pinch of salt. Peel 1 banana and cut it into chunks and mash some of it. I like to add banana into my oatmeal because it gives it a very creamy texture. Remember to keep stirring the entire time the fire is on. This is very important to avoid burning. At this point, you can add sweetener, honey, sugar, or anything that you like. I like to use this natural sweetener here. As you can see, the oatmeal is cooking perfectly. It has a nice thick texture. It looks good. Towards the end, I like to add some of the instant oats. The reason I do this is because I like it to not be completely smooth. Turn it off after a few seconds. This is fine because the heat from the oatmeal will actually cook the instant oats. Next, we will transfer our cooked oatmeal into a clean bowl. And then we will add all our toppings. For this recipe, I use banana, strawberries, peanut butter, walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, raisins, strawberry syrup, and honey. I just made this strawberry syrup. It took me just 2 minutes. It does not take long at all, and it's very easy. I will make another video on how to make your own strawberry syrup. So that is how to make it Very easy, very simple, delicious, nutritious oatmeal. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. See you next time.